So I'm back with my How to Kill a Kit with Style new kit and the layout share from last month's kit. So I was able to finish 3 layouts. Remember, I set myself a goal to do 3 layouts with my How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I did. You can find this one up on my channel, and I'm still obsessed with the silver jellyfish. They're gorgeous. This one I used my kit on, but I did a lot of this, well, I did all of it with my members. So we did some gel press prints and stamps on top of them and added lots of circles and fun things to this layout using my How to Cook It with Style kit. And then this one is on my channel, and you are welcome to go and see it. Again, love the foil. The foil is the best. And I have a whole process. This was for one of my Laura sketches reimagined. So overall, I got my goal that I set to do 3 layouts using my February How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I did it. So whoop whoop. Now let's talk about March. So March, I might be ever so slightly cheating. Just a little bit. So this is my paper person kit. This was January's paper person kit, and I'm still in love with it, and I still have loads of paper to go with it. So instead of building a kit from scratch, I'm gonna I started with what I have still of this paper person kit, and then dug into my stash to add couple of things to that kit. So I'm going to show you what I have from the paper person. I still have, let's see, there's another piece, and then what I pulled in. So I did, I can't find it. I guess maybe. I started with this striped paper, and that was what I based the things I added to the kit off of. So I still have lots of alphabets, lots of the kind of digital cut apart pieces, and the traveler's notebook papers. These are kind of like the scraps I have left. But I love the colors in this kit, and I felt like I wanted to play with it more, but I wanted to add some more to it. I still have 3 full sheets of paper. So I have this one from Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams. This one is from Chamel. I haven't cut into any of these 3 sheets of paper, so I still have some. This is a cut apart piece. Some of these I've already used the printable versions of those cards, so we might end up using the cut apart piece for this instead of the gingham, but I do still like the gingham. So what I did was I took this piece of this patterned paper, and then I went through my stash and I pulled together some things to match. I definitely needed some more embellishments. I definitely needed not so much paper, but definitely embellishments. So to the paper person kit, I have pulled in a couple of scraps of this light pink gingham paper. I've pulled in this paper now, not for this side. This is from Simple Stories. I think this is from last year. It's from their Kissing Booth collection. But for this side, I thought this would make a really great kind of addition to these papers. I grabbed this one, which is also from that Simple Stories collection, but I'm going to use this black and white gingham. I thought some black and white to kind of break some of the pink up would be really nice. And then I pulled out this one, which is from Pebbles Live Life Happy. This is Have a Good One paper. I don't know that I'll use any of this side, but this side just matched that bright kind of pink color that's in the kit really, really well. So I thought that would be a good addition. So I just added 2 full sheets of paper and some scraps, and then the paper from the kit. So I think we're going to be doing definitely like some scrap busting layouts with this collection. I pulled in this Amy Tangerine layered paper stickers. So I'm giving myself a goal. I want to use every one of these stickers with this collection and get this pack of stickers out of my stash. I've had it for a really long time, and almost every color, like even this funky orange color, is in this stripy paper and in this collection. So this was a really great match, and I really want to use up this sticker sheet. I'm gonna add in this light pink washi tape. This was in my kit last month too. My How to KAKWS style, but I just love it. It still matches. We're going for it. I grabbed from Scrappy Happy Studio these word cardstock packs. So I think these are dog themed, almost positive. And the colors match. Yeah, they are. So I thought, I mean, the colors really, really match. So I thought, well, that would be cute. And then I could, you know, I have so many pictures of my dogs. So that gives me a little bit of something themed that I can mix and match with this collection and use a couple of, maybe a puppy dog page or two. Then from my loose things, so loose die cuts, they're all in like a little baggie, and I went through them and I found these couple of pieces that match perfectly, that beautiful kind of foresty green color. This acrylic is from Redefine Creative, and so I thought maybe we could use that on something. I have a couple little wood veneer words, and I have a couple of different kind of word die cuts because I'm not going to put any kind of alphabet stickers. I just have that blue one. Hold on one second. There's a couple more die cuts here that got loose. So here's a couple more of these little wood veneer words, and then a couple of die cuts here, some tags. I thought this one would be really, really fun to use because all the colors match, and it looked really nice with that, and it also matches the Heart and Hustle paper, or the stickers. And then I grabbed this Bramble Fox. This was an exclusive from Click Kits, from one of the Click Kits from, well, it had to be at least 3 years ago. It says love you, super cute, and again, it matches, it works. It's a nice titling option for one that I need. So that is my How to KAKWS style for March. Be sure to head down below, click on everyone who is joining us today, this month, and you can be inspired both in how to create a kit, how to add to a kit, all those kinds of things, and then how to use up some stash. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you again because it's the first of the month when I have 4 videos go up. All right, talk to y'all again soon. Didn't expect to see me that fast, did you? Okay, so I forgot to show you these. So I'm going to use these washi dots. They're going to be part of my How to KAKWS style for this month too. Again, this is the one that has all these cute little pink shades, so we're going to play with those as well. Okay, really, bye now.